So I've been thinking about sharing the backstories of the songs in the MIDI album. Just talking about how the songs came about, the inspiration, or any trivia around it. And I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to be starting with the first song on the album, which is The Lord Have Mercy in Igbo and Yoruba. Yes. So yeah, Lord Have Mercy is always a good place to start. I won't say that was like my very first, but it was a song that made it to the copy phase and was eventually learnt by the great St. Albert's Choir. It was just me testing waters because, as you can see, there are very interesting progressions and chords in it. And also, it's written in two languages, which some liturgists have reservations about. I'll leave it to you guys to decide. Like I said, it was a learning phase for me, a time when I was just trying to try my hands out and, see where it leads me. And yeah, I'm sharing my growth. So there it is. Uluwa me ebere.